Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JetBeam. Now this here is the C8R. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this light. It comes in this box, and I will be featuring these in my online store as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. Had to remove part of the sticker there. As you can see, the highest output is 1480 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get it open, see what's in. And you get a quality control certificate, one warranty card, one user manual, multi-language, two O-rings, one lanyard, and it's a pretty good size. And you get a USB charging cable. I like this one also because when you plug this one in, you're not losing a port. You still can charge or use something else as well without sacrificing the port. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. It's from knurling here as well. Does have a 2-button design. Now this here is a battery level indicator here. Can table stand that if you wish. Then you've got some instructions here, and the reason why you're going to open this up shows you the power bank feature on here with the port on one side, then you have the charging port on the other. And that could come in real handy when you're on the go. Style and design on this is nice. I've seen this host on a couple other lights before, very similar to this. I'm just going by memory, but I think I had a couple of them that were similar in host. Nice size. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. No sharp edges. Now the head here on the light, you can see, got some flat areas, help prevent it from rolling. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-L2 LED. Try to get a good picture of that for you. So now we're going to go ahead and take the light apart, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there. Well greased threads. There is a protection piece here. You want to remove that. Take a look here at the battery. This is a 21700 cell, 5100 milliamp. A lot of power on this. 20 amp cell, 15 amp protection. Will provide plenty of run time for this light. Adds a lot of value. Now, because this is a spring on both ends, you can run a flat top battery in here. It's going to have a lot of area where you can expand, so it can take the shorter cell unprotected. So you can run basically other types of batteries in here if you want. So you're not stuck with just one, you have extras on hand. You're ready to go. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. UI is straightforward. Bottom button here, you'll use this button here up above it to go through those light outputs. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on there. See the battery level indicator. And it goes back down and goes up from there. Now, if you do want to get to the special mode of strobe, you can press and hold this top switch here, and you're going to have to hold it down. As soon as you release it, it'll turn off. So pressure switch action there. And once it is on, that is a constant rate on the flash. And release it again. That is a pretty nice feature if you ask me. I don't use strobe a lot anyways, but if you do, you still have it there. And that's all there is to this light. Feels very rugged, well built. Haven't had any issues with the JetBeam in the past. I've done quite a few reviews of their lights. Alright, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the JetBeam C8R. We're going to get started. See how it does. Now this comes on the highest output, so just letting you know, and we'll go from there. There we go, the water spout, 35 feet from where I'm standing. Easily making it across the park to the playgrounds, both of them. Tree line, fence line. Nice light output on this. The UI goes down, so we'll start off on the highest one. Trees out in the distance, 238 feet to that tree behind the tree of life here. 138 feet from where I'm standing. I list all my distances in all my videos. So if you have any doubts on the distances, you can check them out for yourself. And we're now going to the bottom, to the lowest light output there. And you can still see that water spout 35 feet away. Great for up close and personal. Alright, let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice jump. The tree there is 65 feet from where I'm standing. Now this has a cool white temperature, probably close to 6,500 K. Still making the tree there, 138 feet. We'll go to the next level here. Let's see how it does. Spill has come alive. Weather's been a lot nicer to us here. And windy, a lot of dust in the air, but I'll take that any day rather than the storms that we had. And then we're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. And I believe right back where we started. And I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Really impressed with this light performance. Beam type is one of my favorites. Go over that now. Combination beam, nice centralized hotspot, a little bit of bleeding around the edge, and going out to the spill, cuts off there abruptly. Now this being 1480 lumens is actually quite a bit of light. So if you do use high and medium, you're going to get very good run times because of the battery that's used. Now one other side note, I did tell you about using other batteries, but I forgot to mention that you can use two 0700 and 18650 cells in this light as well. Use protected, unprotected. They're going to fit in here because the springs on both ends allows you to run flat top, button top, or slightly raised tops. So that's really nice. Really like the feature of this as well, it being a power bank built right in there, charging port. Of course it's covered up once you screw it in, and that doesn't allow any water or anything or dust and debris to get in there. But it is a big plus to be able to charge your cell phone, or if it goes dead, just to be able to make that emergency phone call. Really am impressed with this light. All in all, it is a very nice light. Now I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link, 2 links that is, down in the description to my Banggood stores. Now with that special discount, you'll be able to save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from JetBeam to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.